Mutations are very common in the Hollywood film industry. The villain gets mutated and the hero goes and saves this entire planet. Viruses are also highly mutable. As I have mentioned in the previous one, viruses have a genetic material that can either be DNA or RNA. So what happens is that because it only has a single genome, when a mutation occurs to that genome, it can convert the virus to an entirely different organism. What are mutations? Mutations is the changes which is happening in the genome of an organism. And mutations are pretty common. It happens in our body also. The agents which are causing mutations are known as mutagens. So, why the mutation in virus is so special? Our bodies have trillions of cells. If mutation occurs in a single cell, nothing is going to change. The virus is only having a single genome. So, when a mutation happens in that single genome, it can change the virus from one species to a different one. So now it is a different and a mutant variant. And the vaccines which we have developed by a research of like 6 months is not effective right now. So that is the problem with the mutations in viruses. And here comes our friend COVID-19. So COVID is actually a member of the family Coronaviride, which actually is responsible for several other diseases like SARS. The SARS CoV-2 virus is actually a single-stranded RNA virus and it has a lipid membrane. That means it is enveloped. Also, it has got spike proteins on its membrane and it is used for the attachment to the respiratory epithelium. And this spike protein is used as an immunogen for the vaccine Covishield, which was developed by Oxford. When the infection rises, our body acts against it by increasing inflammation, which can in turn cause tissue damage, and this can lead to death. So our best bet is to wear a mask when we are around in gatherings. This is the snapshot time. Today we have discussed about mutations and why it's special in viruses. Also, we have discussed about structure and the mechanism of the COVID-19 virus. Viruses are known as obligate parasite. That means they can only be doing their activities when they are inside a living cell. And then the question arises, what is a cell? That's the topic for your next video. See you in the next one.